Are you HR aspirant and preparing for HR competitive exam? Then you are at right place. HR preparation is one-stop solution for all HR exam preparation. Why HR preparation is the best choice for HR exam preparation? There are many unique features. To choose HR preparation, here are few I am explaining now. First unique feature is dedicated course for each exam preparation. We provide dedicated course for each exam. Others are providing common course for all exams, as mentioned same syllabus, but we create courses as per the exam, because each exam has its own exam pattern and syllabus, so we create dedicated course for each exam. You can see our portal. With many courses for many exams, here are categories and courses for different exams. Second unique feature is well-organized content. Many institutions provides UGC net course materials and telling same syllabus for all HR exams, but UGC net syllabus is not always same for all other HR exams, so they dump everything as course content, but this dump creates lot of confusion and wasting time. But HR preparation gives well-organized content like divided into two parts, like professional knowledge part and general paper part. Again, each part is provided with units or sections, and again, each unit is given with many topics. So we organize content into two parts, with units and topics for both study materials and test series. Let's look into portal. Here you can see study materials and test series. Content is provided with both study materials and test series. You can see two parts like professional knowledge, and also here is general paper. Each part with different units, like here you can see management as one unit and many topics under management. Here is another unit, HRM, as like that you can find other units too. Here is the labor laws unit with all labor laws. Here is labor code unit with new labor codes. Here you can see the general paper part with different units like quantitative aptitude, reasoning, general English, so on. You can see each unit has provided with many topics. You have to note that course content is varied from course to course based on its official syllabus and exam pattern. Coming to test series are with three varieties like unit-wise test series, model mocks, and previous year solved paper. First, look into unit-wise test series. Here you can find two parts like professional knowledge and general paper. Each part with units, each unit with topics. You witness that study material and unit-wise are similar. Here is the one logic behind our strategy to know. Once, go back to study material. Here you can find this topic under management and same topic in test series. So our strategy is that you have to read and understand the topic first, then you have to attempt the same topic after you read. So you will brush up by reading and get more knowledge by attempting test series. Hope you got our strategy behind. Study materials only help to refer subject, but when you are attempting test, you will think and try to answer the question, so you will get real insight by practice. And also we cover basic level to moderate level question in same topic, so you can attempt any type of question, like direct question or indirect question from same topic, as like this, same for all both parts, all units. This is the reason we mentioned as great feature by well-organized content. Third feature is 100% coverage of syllabus. We provide many HR course like UGC NET, IBPS, SOHR mains, or any of PSU exams, and we strictly follow the official syllabus. If that PSU not provided official syllabus, then we give our universal syllabus. You may check our blog section to know what is universal syllabus after this video. If that PSU provided official syllabus, then we first follow the syllabus and add topics from universal syllabus too. because usually PSUs give syllabus, but many times in final exam, they ask question from out syllabus too. So we provided topic from our universal syllabus. Our intention is to help aspirants to crack exam. Fourth feature is 100% exam pattern followed. We follow exam pattern as per official notification. For example, as per the official notification, there are 100 questions from professional knowledge and 50 questions are general paper, and total marks are 150 with or without negative marking. So we design test series as per exam pattern, with all the given criteria. Fifth feature is Previous Year Question PYQ Bank. Previous year questions will help to crack the exam. We cover previous year's question paper of all different HR exams, which were held during last 5 to 10 years. Previous question bank is with huge questions, and we covered all previous year questions from different exams as model mock test. So, you will experience the real-time exam with real-time questions at one place as per exam and question pattern. So this is best ever feature we give. Last but not least, unlimited access of study materials and test series. HR preparation gives you unlimited access of course content during the valid subscription period. There is no restricts to read or access the study materials. You can click on read button and access same study material n number of times. And for test series, you can attempt test series without any limit. For the first time it shows as take test, and from second time onwards it shows retake option, so you can retake test n number of times, and also you can check results and get latest result of recent attempt. So this unlimited access will give to practice more and more and get actual readiness for your exam. These are the 6 major features made us best in market, and you can subscribe HR preparation as your learning partner to crack your exam. How to contact us? You can visit our website www.hrpreparation.com and you can do live chat with us.